Hello friends, today we will show you a special puzzle in which you have to show your talent. Please see the position on the board. Your challenge is white to play and win. The puzzle is special one and see the position. This pawn cannot be prevented to be a queen. In this condition, your challenge is white to play and win. If you accept the challenge, then pause this video and try to solve it. If you are really genius in chess, then only you can solve this puzzle. Now, we are giving you the solution. White plays a move, normal move, h6, then h2, h7, and black promote queen, and here white also promote queen. Here white offers to his queen to take, and black cannot do anything more. Let's say if queen g1 check, then king is here, and d1 check, h6, and then no check. So he will take queen cross queen, and here white plays f6. See the position carefully, and black try to save his queen with h3, then king on g5, and this queen is blocked. Now it is black turn. What black can do? Black cannot play this pawn to d6 because of this pawn will be promoted to c6, c7, and c8, queen and mate. So what to do? Only option is pawn d4. Here white cannot take this pawn. If this pawn is taken, white will be in trouble and game will be drawn. Let's take. Then black will play d5. Then what to do? If this pawn is also taken, then queen check, because this king is on stalemate. What to do? He cannot take queen. Game will be drawn. So here white does not capture this pawn, and he plays a special move c6. Then what to do? Only option for black is to capture this pawn, otherwise this pawn will be promoted and mate. So only option is d cross c6, and now e cross d4, and here he will play, black will play c5. White cannot capture this pawn because of same formula, queen check and draw. So he will play further forward his pawn to d5, c4, d6, c3, d7, c2, and queen mate. Hope you enjoyed this miracle game, or you can say very surprising game. If you like the contents of this game, please comment. Also subscribe our channel Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.